All right, another good drill here, and as you can see in the document, I didn't have a chance to do this. Sometimes I don't get a chance to get to this in the 4-hour class. You may or may not have touched on this, but it's just that near-far drill. Very important drill. Essentially, I'll just have to describe it here, but you shoot close, like 5 yards, and then you shoot far, like say 20 yards. So 3 skill sets here. First skill set, natural point of aim. Second skill set is sighted fire. The third skill set in between those two is that ability to transition between the two. Common deficiency is bow, bow, bow. Like we don't change aiming systems. We've got to learn to change aiming systems to natural point of aim, sighted fire. So we just look at the target, we pull focus back while we're transitioning, we prep up, sight alignment, pressure, side alignment, break the shot, okay? You have to have that visual patience. You don't slow down on the far target, you just take in more information. That's an important point. We never slow down. We just take in more information to get the accuracy we need for that more difficult shot. And then of course you can go far near. You draw and you go far, and then you transition near, where you gotta go far, then you gotta whip it over and just pound that close target. Logistically difficult to do on the range. You can, but it's hard to set up like that. With the SIRT, you can do that a lot. One important point on this, you may think, well, contextually, when are you gonna have a near target and a far target? If you want to take it into, say, a defensive space of a critical incident, when's that going to happen? It doesn't seem realistic. Well, here's the point on this. It's not situational. Let me say it this way. It's not about doing 2 shots. It's about having your awareness close. Let's say your awareness is close and you have to shoot far. Even if you didn't shoot right here close, you have to have that skill set. Oh, that's a far target that needs to be touched. Sight, I look at it, I transition over, I start prepping the trigger, I bring the focus back, and then I hit that shot. Doesn't matter what happened upstream, it's just that your focus was upstream. We happen to be shooting upstream, all right, but the skill set is broader than that specific context of shooting a close target, shooting a far target. And like turn, let's say your awareness is far. It's this distance, right? But there's all of a sudden an immediate need to put rounds in a close target. Same principle, right? So it's right here. Oh, you have to even though you're thinking something here, but if something's right there, then you gotta transition over and just light up this target with natural point of aim. Even if you were kind of in a predisposed mindset that you might have to do some sighted fire somewhere. Does that make sense? I'm asking the camera if that makes sense. But so the context is broad. The context is broad, that ability to switch aiming systems to do natural point of aim to sighted fire. All right, my friends, now we're down to the fun stuff, the progressor drill. This is a whole block in itself. Let's go over this.